The moment that I first met you, I knew it was gonna be a pile of work for me to do. When we first talked, you said many things, a lot of things I disagree, and this would be an extraordinary journey for you and me. So do you see, at least there we agreed. Your way was so different from mine, and I often wondered if I was gonna laugh or cry. One more helpless blunder, one step from going under, falling off our feet, and in the middle you and me. Another runaway done, but anyway, I saved your life, now asking the angels to save mine. I gave it all, get nothing back, now calling the angels, calling the angels, help me master the incline. I got you studying and everything, got you a place when you were worrying. You took it all and paid me nothing, and you still think I will carry on carrying. One more helpless blunder, one step from going under, falling over feet, and in the middle you and me. Another runaway done, but anyway, I made your life, now I'm asking the angels to make mine. I gave it all, got nothing back, now calling the angels, calling the angels, help me master the incline. You're still a part of me, will always be. I'm still here, still full of sympathy. But right now I'm on the brink, the razor edge. Don't let me sink, talk me off the fucking ledge. I saved your life, now I don't need the angels to save mine. I just want you to make me whole, because